Well, hello guys, you may aboard this plane. Yay, I can't wait. I wonder if it's gonna be like, oh, Teddy. If you say so. I'm just gonna sleep right away. Wait for me. Man, I feel very pleased and happy for this ride. Okay, well, anyways, I'm just gonna... You ready to take off? Yep, I am. Okay, let's turn that around, please. Okay, and then we're gonna get ready for takeoff. Just a bit, just in a bit. Once I can get this right, when I can try to sit down. You still don't know how to sit down? Probably not. I got it. Hold on. Whatever. How do I do this? Oh, I know. Hey, I'll be right back. What do you mean? Oh, whatever. Okay, our next stop will be really cool. What do you mean? Oh, whatever. Close hatch. Woo! And we'll be on our way. Okay, our next stop will be North Carolina. Yay. Yeah. Next stop, North Carolina. Woo! Oh, turbulence! Barrel roll. Oh no! Oh my god. Open the hatch! I'm trying! Open our... a plane crash? We never have one of those. Well, maybe someone is driving into the turbulence. Sorry. Oh, whatever. I hope the kids are okay. I do not feel well. Let's do it again! I would say no. I don't want to do this again. Mr. Teddy! You're okay. Phew. All you care about is your teddy and it's not even alive. Hey! Sorry. Hopefully the kids are okay. We're fine, jeez. Oh, okay. They're fine, they said. Okay. Ready for takeoff again. Hopefully we don't crash. Ow. Hold. What? Hold me. Yeah, right. No, Teddy! Mr. Teddy! Next stop, what we were saying. Everything is falling. But we don't care. Make sure the hatch is freaking fully closed. I did, didn't I? Jesus. Okay, get ready. Okay. We are going to North Carolina. Like we said anyways. Ah! Ow! Oh my God. We're gonna land for a short break. Actually, we're here. Oh, never mind. 2 hours later. Man, it's been a crazy ride. Hasn't it been? Yeah, you're actually right. It has been a crazy ride. Ow. Ugh. It's really dark. I think we're actually... Is it nighttime? Let me see. Yep. Nighttime it is. I think I'm gonna get some sleep. Actually, I'm gonna sleep right here. Ew, get your butt off my face. Sorry. Okay. Okay, good night, I guess. Night. The next day. Ow. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Morning. Okay, y'all. What? Oh, I mean, we're going to land soon. So take us another hour. Finally, 1 hour left. Okay, let's go. Ow! Oof. Get me out of here. Get me out of this plane already. Please. Those babies. What is in front of this dang plane? That does not allow us to freaking drive. I don't know. Can you stop saying that too? Oh, whatever. Whatever. Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh, God. Plane is falling apart. I think I'm going to get my tablet. No, the package. Stay in there. There. My tablet. Can you keep it down, man? Like, seriously. I know, right? Can you keep it down? Whatever. 1 hour later. Okay, we have arrived here. Our airplane trip is officially over. Oh, yay! Close hatch. Close the freaking hatch. I am. You're so annoying. Yes, we're finally out of here. Yay! Wait for me. Ow. Wait for me. Oh, man.